Let's use a different model to process this code transcript between a salesperson and a potential client. First, we're going to import Boto3 in JSON. Then we're going to read the code transcript text file. We're going to open it and read it here. Then we're going to set up the Bedrock runtime by passing the service name and the region closest to you. Then we're going to prepare the prompt here for the Llama 3 model. Here we're going to say summarize this code transcript in just 3 sentences and then create a bullet point list of follow-up actions items for the salesperson. Here is the transcript, and then we pass the transcript in here. Then we set up the request body, passing the prompt to the config object. Then we pass the temperature and the max length in here as well. Now, if you remember the Titan model, they have different configuration properties here. Here will have to be input text, and then we have max token in camel case. So depending on the model you're using, the property names are going to be different for the config object. Then you can invoke the model by calling invoke model here. We pass the request body here, the model ID, meta, Llama 3, 70 billion, instruct v1. And then we're going to print the response, get the body, read the body, and get the generated text. So let's call this model here and see the response. And here we go. Okay, perfect. So here we got the response, and then we got the output text here. So the output text is basically the response. It says here is a 3-sentence summaries of the code transcript. Mike from the security tech solutions reach out to Claire, blah, blah, blah. And then here is the bullet point list of follow-up actions items for the salesperson. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different bullet points in their generator for us.